Here are some essential techniques to achieve perfectly styled hair. So, using the right hair tools. I sell a blow dryer, I sell an amazing vent brush. You need to start getting comfortable with using proper hair tools. A lot of you just say, oh, I'll use my hands, use my fingers. You don't want to use a blow dryer because you're afraid of the heat or you're not sure. It all becomes really, really relevant when you start to see that using the proper hair tools are going to help you achieve perfect hairstyles. Hairsprays, different hair products. You all want perfect hair, but you're not willing to experiment and utilize the right tools that are needed. So depending on your hairstyle, it's essential that you find out what it takes to create that hairstyle from a styling perspective. When you're blow drying hair, you need to use a hairbrush. You need to use a blow dryer, a hot tool, whether it's a curling iron or a smoothing iron. That's why these are made. And that's why these companies are making millions and millions of dollars selling these tools. You know, I have amazing hair tools that you can purchase that are going to help you achieve your look. Another thing when it comes to achieving really good hairstyles is how you're using your hands. Now, you can see here with a stylist, when he's using his hands on one side, he's like palming it. Now, this side, he's raking his hands through. The more you use your palms like this, the more it's going to make the hair more matted to your head, and it's going to make it lay more flat. If you want your hair like that, then that's good. But if you want to have more volume and texture, you need to use your fingers more to create the separation. Here's another example of someone who's just kind of running his hands through his hair and actually trying to kind of, mess it up and give it more texture. You can see using the fingers, it's creating some separation. Here's something that I see very often where actually you can see the back of his hair is actually sticking straight up. So he's unaware that when you're blow drying your hair, you actually have to blow dry your hair a certain way because now he's stuck with this big poof on the back of his head. You can't do that. You have to learn that if you blow dry the hair back going against the grain like this, it's going to stick straight up and you'll get more of a spiky look. If you want to have your hair more flat and not stick up, you have to blow dry your hair or style it like you saw on this one side right here, more forward so it lays more flat because that's how the hair grows. When it comes to using hot tools, something like this is a smoothing iron or a flat iron, you can utilize these tools to make different types of styles. So you can see taking the hair and flipping it around inside the barrel and then pulling on it, it's actually creating waves in the hair. So you can use a straightener to create waves in your hair. I learned this earlier on in my career. Once again, back to the blow drying, back to the brush. You can see if you want volume in your hair, if you want to get that texture, you want to get that lift, the only way you can really do this successfully is by utilizing the right products, utilizing the right tools like a vent brush, my anti-static vent brush, and my hair dryer that I sell at my website, shop.thesalonguy.com, works really, really well. So just practice, experiment. That's all you can do, and make sure that you are taking your styling routine very seriously because that is going to help you achieve perfect hairstyles on a daily basis. You can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.